Piece up mouth girl. What you call man name here?
Wagwan people, wagwan. Open a right, you know, open doing okay. So watch my people. A few weeks back, you know, a few ladies, well I won't say ladies, them call themselves BITCHES, right? They were on a podcast, more of on a YouTube channel, you get me? And for some reason, them attack a bag of things, yo, some disgusting thing, them attack them viewers, subscribers. You see it? And by the way, if you don't know these females, one of them is Chief Keef, babe mother. She's by the name of Slim Danger. She was the one Popcaan answer back in a disrespectful way. You better move. My viewer subscribers. So they mentioned Popcaan name in it. And I say not baiting. Like she say you know say we used to deal and you go on like say you never want this rate. You see me? I'm baiting. So guess what? Popcaan just answer back. This are up wicked. So what's my viewer subscribers? Before we proceed, give this video a like and ensure you subscribe now. Click the bell icon to turn on your post notification. So I'm going to play the video as to where, well, I'm going to make you hear the audio as to where Popcaan say, you see it, and then I'm going to kind of make you hear back where the female is upon the podcast, and then we're going to talk about it some more. So watch out.
Oh, me just wake up and fresh, so though. By the way, piece up mouth girl. What you call man bum buckler name here? Real authentic yard man this. Look for me good. You better move.
Anymore. Okay, who else? Popcaan. Y'all want to talk about Popcaan?
Oh, Popcaan. He's a Canadian rapper. So he's like Drake.
Yes, I love you too.
Is he signed to OVO? Yeah, I think he's signed to OVO.
I don't know, but let me tell you something. You played me trying to act like you was going with that other bitch, and you know you want this.
Doesn't he have a bitch? I think he has a girlfriend.
I don't know everybody has a girlfriend.
Everybody does. That's not ours.
Yo, Popcaan easy though. Yo, yes, we're going right. Some of you are subscribers. Yo, we think say yo, the man just say alright, fresh up on thing, spray on me expensive cologne for the girl, the man thing, girl dead and all them not stop feeling. So you see me? Until we hear man say, oh, one more thing, like we are say, what am I gonna say now? Then the man just give them it. You see it? Yo, real Jamaican, authentic. Not do that. You better move and go one side. You're bright. You can't want to mix the unruly boss now and the fool. And no matter how far of your subscribers, let me just say this. The way them attack, you can't know say them know nothing about Popcaan. Nothing them know about Popcaan. And the mere fact is that them just don't want to bring up that. Because Popcaan I know them. Me personally feel say Popcaan know none of them cheat girls that see them right there. So. Especially the one we talk about Popcaan player. She named Slim Danger. You see, Chief Keef, babe mother. Chief Keef is a American rapper. You see it. OG in a game from Atlanta. You see me? So she don't know nothing because for one, the other two, one of them must say who is Popcaan. Like, oh, you know Popcaan. Well, the music industry big still. You see it. So, we can understand that. You see me? The next one I see, oh, they must say he's a Canadian rapper. Like, he's a Canadian rapper, so you can clearly see them don't know nothing about the culture or them just act as if them don't know. And then them say, yo, is he signed to OVO? So clearly say you know say them don't know still, but them went on a rant with viewer subscribers, them talk about a bag of things. You see, me didn't want to talk about it. You see it. But it show you say yo watching now. The man nah laugh, you know. You see it. And clearly, female specifically, them do something for clout more and I have to wonder see yo, why them do that? You see, but me the basically I look out for this. Me just there wait and I wonder when Popcaan I go respond to them female here because them this the man. You see me? You can't come style Jamaican real dandada authentic bad man them way then and little foolishness. You careful you know. You better move. You see my viewer subscribers. So yo Popcaan respond to where the girl have to say, you see upon the podcast. You see me? And the man I couldn't know see yo. Not do that. Not do that. No do it. And on a rapper this, a Jamaican dada this, when I ramp with people, woman or female, when I play with people, your side. So comment in the comments down below now, what you think about this, you see, yo, Popcaan is easy still in a real jam, man, you see me? Until next time, just vibes, I'm out.